Hello, kuminda kilo ni dulu de. Kita nanti boy.
Oi. Iya, karena darah tuh jadi ini tidak pelanggaran kalau ini kasih hitam putih supaya origin.
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared of the next election. I'm scared because I think far rights are gonna win.
You can read the
I'm gonna change. Yeah, I'm gonna change. I still have long years to study, but yeah, it's gonna be my first year.
The young is responsibility.
Yeah, you're right. The youngest. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. How do you say? Wait.
ID democracy.
What do you say? Nice to meet you. Saya. What do you say again? Nice to meet you in bahasa.
Sangat senang.
Sangga is I'm happy to.
Ya. Sangat senang berjumpa, bercakap-cakap.
Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Bisa saya mengambil foto?
Oh, boleh.
Boleh?
Ini
Yeah.
kebenaran.
Yeah. You're okay?
You can take.
No, it's.
You can take a picture. Can you write?
I can send it to you if you want. Yeah.
Send to me.
Yeah.
Want to WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Sure.
Idea.
I can ask someone if we take a photo
It's a
together.
political
Yeah.
Subject in management. Political subject, political culture, governance, social.
Yeah, it's the different courses I have. Yeah.
Political basic science because we read Montesquieu.
Oh, Montesquieu. It's really old.
Social
Oh, John Locke. Yeah. Social Rousseau. Social culture. Yeah, it's really
became
good book.
a country. We have region.
Yeah.
We have people, governance, and pengakuan, appreciation of international government.
That's really nice.
For
Oh, Assumption. Yeah.
God love. Yeah, I like.
You're right. Do you think we can ask someone?
But in democracy in Indonesia, to define origin, purely relate
Oh, yeah. Maybe from also the colonies.
Yeah.
What is Holland?
Holland.
Yeah.
It's about
30 years, 100 years ago. 300?
the colonial. After that,
Japanese also?
Three.
Oh, I thought you were independent
Yeah,
after.
three.
It was, wait, 1945? What was your 45, 42? Yeah, and then 45 independence.
Nagasaki.
Yeah. So they came
Yeah,
here?
they came here.
Oh.
But after declaration of independence, colonial colonies come here. Yeah.
They settled
Aggressive,
here.
yeah.
No more colonies.
Yeah. Then we French in colony Africa.
Yeah, lots.
But
Yeah, we had a-
quality is England is very good because
Yeah,
Commonwealth.
yeah, you're right. Yeah,
Malaysia.
India
yeah,
also,
India.
and they did well because it was all Pacific.
Yeah, Pacific.
France, we
Very good,
didn't
yeah.
do well.
Yeah.
Because a lot of wars in Algeria.
I
wars.
study in history colonial of France in Africa.
Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Really bad. And now
it's
people.
it's very but Holland
Make it good? Yeah, it was Pacific in Indonesia, right? It was okay. It was maybe a little bit. It's not from like a long time ago, so it's a bit.
Sarang ini itu nutup bayi, kurang apa teh? 5% for Portuguese country.
Portuguese?
But after there, come to colonial land.
Portuguese, they were also in Brazil,
Brazil,
South America.
in Timor-Leste. Okay, take it.
Oh yeah. Again. Really pretty. How do you say pretty for a man? Because Chenchik is for a woman.
Ya, boleh juga masuk toh. Can you?
Yeah, with you, yeah, no problem. Sorry.
Okay.
Pa kalururo rin lao, masin ba kayo beko?
Tadi alat yang suku dalam. Prancis.
Ako marunong sa Latin, kino ko ito malam.
Okay, Francis de Bire.
Ya.
Three. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Please join, please. Ya. Ya. Na depan na kiri.
Anthony, that's your name.
Emilia.
Wait, that's your real name?
Emilia.
Yeah, that's your name.
Ya.
Oh, it's really
My
English.
mother did Emilia
You're king.
We communicate because the student
Yeah. You have to put like.
Alay, miralamay ka pa ng pati kaya, dahil sa sorry sa langan mo yun.
Yeah.
Maguliling kiti.
You can send me the photos. The French flag on it. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa lagi. Terus mana?
La susite de bengkarang tanutun ta bagi bang amin amin ya te to tumbang datu ya te lantang tigoyong mai la miurus to tolena bir na daw kamu yung mai te to tumbang datu ya te ndi na bebo rian solatan lo la nurus to ya to tumbang ya to sauna lampio keluarga keluarga to keluarga oh ya te kami ya te lo na may lampio ya te la nurus ya te lantang tingolo mo ya oh siya despo ko sirigi kulo te tanga lantang selatan lo maksi la nurus dito sola payandi kita lo may lampio urusin dia tu tolena bir na daw para siapa jadi ta perang itu kita lo may lampio Oh Gilbert, si pangkara kami poyan di daw salah maksi, jaminan mi mati. Ya te bebo ko keluarga nina Yusran sola anak na dito mati. ngurus daw kita tuh tolong nasi bir. Ya natumbang datu ko kami tinggo jong nama itu, kami tanggung jawab itu. Ya tulang tanggung jawab itu kita loh yang nanti Bapak Lani sola pengwin ni koordinir kita tuh jaminan atau tumbang datu itu. Di BPMP lah punya pelok toh. Nama lilu dulu nih tolio di ben. Atur minta tuh. Koordinir ni Bapak Lani sola pengwin itu tuh. Tira si perkara bisa sini misalnya tira tetap karena pasal dia ditolak si Abir kesana mau bikin kampas bisa barat tau Bapak Utren itu yang tanggung jawab itu jaminan nanti to bebo soal pajak karena macam si karena kami kepala ini tidak terlengkar pasal dia ditolak si tua kasih bir apa sih bro
Siapa dia kepala?
Kamu jadi bebo, kami tumpuk nanti. Oh, betul-betul nak kebutuhan.
Polo. Sifat keadaan orang ke Polo. Panggil berdak kira topik karena. Pasal dia ditolak rek soal tu ada usia pasien. Panggil soal apa kali dah.
Ada di situ ya? Ada. Oh, woi. Oke guys. Alah. Oke, lebih dulu teh, hitam putih.